Hey guys, we have a brand new GARMIN FORCE Trolling Motor out of the box on the boat. There's two things you need to do. You need to calibrate the motor. The anchor lock will not work until this calibration is done. You get your remote, you go into settings, down, into settings, trolling motor, calibrate. The first thing we're going to do is calibrate our compass. It says turn the boat slowly. So we're going to turn the boat in 2 circles. Okay, whenever you do this, you want a calm setting. You don't want the boat rocking back and forth. It just gives it a good calibration. And you only have to do this once. Calibrated, compass is calibrated. Now we want to calibrate the offset. Okay, we're going to go down, bow offset. Okay, we're going to go over. You want to make sure that your trolling motor is pointed directly forward, just like that. Down. You heard it beep, the offset's set. One more thing we need to do is we need to set prop side, okay? Which side do I want my prop to stow to? Notice when I pull that up, it goes left. There's no way I would want to pull that up because of my live scope transducer. Also, I like my prop on the inside for my cover, my boat cover. So we're gonna go in and change that. We're gonna move it down to right. Now we're good to go, watch this. I don't have to touch the motor, comes up, she goes in the stowed position, everything's protected. Hope this video helps you guys, and thanks for riding along.